today in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how you guys can create your own menus. For example, let me just hop on to this world, and I'm just going to show you guys how to create your guys' own menus. Super easy, something like this. So if I click this sign, it opens this kind of menu, as you guys can see here, and I can also create these text boxes, something like this. I can also have, so let me click here because this one has toggles and stuff. I can also add sliders and toggles. So here's how you guys can make it, and this is a tutorial, so make sure to watch it till the end, or else you guys might not know how to do something. Okay, let me just leave the world before people start joining. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the website for this. It's called Minecraft Creator Hub, but there's an abbreviation for it. It's MCCH, and it's also there's a link in the description below, so you guys can get the link from there. So once you guys go here, you guys will land on this page. Click on Menu, Tools, and then click on Scripter. Then you guys will see all this here. You guys can scroll down and check it out a bit. So first I got, okay, let me scroll all the way up. First I got the menu creator type 2, which I just finished. And then I got the chat commands creator, shop menu creator, and then I got the menu creator. And it also has these previews so that you guys can see what your menu would look like. And then it has the run command on clicked item creator. That's the only few I have for now, and since this one is new, it does not have a preview. But let's start with creating a simple menu. Let's make it like a simple admin menu so that you guys could, ban people and have a bit more higher and advanced moderation in your server. So I'm gonna name this, actually, I'm gonna start with this one. No, the menu creator here. So here I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it admin menu. And then here I'm gonna type select what to do. So this is like the subtitle so this is a title of the menu, and then this is a subtitle. So if I scroll here, you guys can see it says admin menu as a title, and then the body / the subtitle is there, and then function name. So the function name cannot include any special characters or spaces. Okay, I mean it can, but just don't use those stuff because you guys would break it. So I'm gonna name this admin menu no space. That's all. It's just a function name so that you can set an identifier for this menu. Now what I can do is generate code, but it gives me the code here, right? It has no buttons. So I'm gonna click on add button, and then for the button name, I'm gonna put kick player, and then here I'm gonna have to send, so when this button is clicked here, it will have to send the person who clicked that button to another menu. So I'm going to do tag at s add open menu, and then so now I'll have to, since I'll be creating a kick menu, another menu which is type 2, I will now need to come up with a function name for this one. So first, let me just finish the first menu right now. Where is it? This is the shop menu. Yeah, it's really hard you guys might get some stuff messed up if you guys are using small screen devices or touch screen devices. So I would suggest using laptops, PCs, or something like that. Or keyboard and mouse would be better too. And then here I'm going to do kick menu. So no space, no nothing, because that's what I'm going to need, the identifier for that menu. And I'm going to click generate code, and that's the button that it displays. So this menu, it will show this kind of menu. just like that, and then here's the code. Now what I have to do is click copy code and double check that it copied the code. Yep, it did. Okay, and now I'll open Minecraft Creator Hub again, and just click on this icon, and then click on menu, tools, and then actually no, you guys gonna go to quick create, or actually I'm gonna go to coder for now. So I'm gonna open coder, paste this code in just like that. Now I'm just gonna go down a bit, just press enter, and or yeah, just go down a bit. It does not matter. So after you guys paste it, just go down, and then we're gonna go here. So we're done with this menu now. Now we're gonna go all the way up to menu creator type 2, and here I'm gonna name it kick player menu. Here I'm gonna do kick menu so that it matches this right here, kick menu. And now I'm gonna add a text field. So text field, and I'm gonna put, for the name of the text field, which is like the label for the text field, I'm gonna put enter player name. Enter player name. So now if the user puts the player name in and then clicks submit, it'll kick the player. But we need to write the command to kick the player, whichever player was entered here. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna have to, okay, so I'm gonna have to use a bit of JavaScript. It's not much, just a few special characters, that's all. Kick, and then do this, and if you guys look right here, it says input 1, right? So you're gonna type input 1, just like that. No space, no capital characters, that's all. Kick input 1, that's all. Now, what you're gonna do is generate code just to see if it works there. So I got input 1, and then it says run command kick player, kick the selected player. Now, what I can do is also add a confirm button. So if I add a toggle and set this as do you want to confirm? So if I do confirm, okay. And now what we're gonna have to do is, now since we added this toggle, we're gonna have to remove this and then put that here. So we're just gonna leave this blank. So it's not like Minecraft, so if you leave something blank, it's just gonna break the whole, no, this is not like that, it's scripting. So what we're gonna do is just leave that blank, and here you're still gonna keep it as input 1, because it's gonna take the input from this text field and put it on this. So if the user toggles this and puts an input in this text field, and then submits, it's gonna kick. Yeah. Now what I can do is click on generate code and see that it says text field, enter player name, type here, confirm, it says false, but then once the player clicks it, it'll be true, and then it'll just it'll just kick the player. Okay, now what I can do is I can also add a reason. So you know what, I'm just gonna leave that. I'm not gonna overcomplicate this short tutorial. It's not short, it's just meant to explain this whole entire thing so that you guys know how to use this amazing tool. Now what I can do is click generate code one more time if I edited something, and then click on copy code, and then make sure that it copied. Nope, it didn't copy, see? Or maybe this is broken. Yeah, it's broken for now because I did not test it. I'm testing it as I'm recording this video. So I'm just gonna manually copy it. Since the copy button didn't work, I'll just fix it later. And then I'm gonna go back to the coder page where I pasted the first code that I made, and you guys are gonna paste in the second one. which now you guys should have these two, and the identifier, which starts with function. This one is Addon menu, and this one is kick menu. Now what I can do is go down, pressing enter, and then I will go to chat command creator. So what I can do is, these are new stuff, so that's why I'm using these new things. I can use item click on run command thing. I just messed it up, but I'm gonna use this for now. So for the chat command creator, you cannot start with slash because the default command for Minecraft Bedrock Edition has to start with slash. So Minecraft Bedrock Edition commands start with slash, and so we cannot use that. So what I can use and what I like to use is dot admin menu. So if these are types this dot admin menu, it will run this command here. So whatever I type here, it will run that. And of course I can add more chat commands. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to open the admin menu, which was here. And whatever I put for the function name, actually it says it right here in the code. To open this menu, use tag open menu admin menu. So if I add this tag to that player, it will open that menu. So what I can do here is tag @s add that right there, and make sure to use those, because it will throw a syntax error if you don't. And let me see if I did that same thing for the admin menu. Yep, I forgot to use that right there, so I'm gonna put that in and then click on generate code. So I'll just update this thing again, and as you guys can see, it says it here now. And I'm gonna copy this whole thing. Copy code. I'm gonna manually copy it. Now I just lost trust in it. Now I'm gonna go back to that first code that I pasted. I'll just highlight it all and delete it. And if you guys have been following along, just do the same thing. It's not gonna break the code if you accidentally deleted one extra line. It won't matter, it's just the same thing. And now you're just gonna paste in a new updated code with the syntax error thing for the /tag command. And now I'm gonna go back to the chat command creator here, and I am gonna generate the code. And of course, if you guys want to, you guys can add more commands. So I'm gonna do play sound random.toast@s. So when the user types that command, it can play sound random.toast, which is like boing sound effect. And there you go. Now I'll play that sound and open that menu. That's not really correct. Okay, I just found a mistake with this. This is a new thing that I added to, so it has a mistake. Timeout. I'm gonna put a timeout for this, which is gonna be 3 seconds. Yeah, 3 seconds. So for you guys, it'll be fixed, but this part here, you guys can change in how many seconds the menu will open. So after typing this command right here, the user will have to close the chat, and then after that many seconds, as soon as the player types his command in, after this many seconds, so 60 divided by 20 is going to be 3 seconds, so it's going to be 3 seconds. It will open this menu. It'll run these commands here. So what you guys can do is edit this. So this will be 1 second. This would be 5 seconds. This would be 3 seconds. So yeah, that's gonna be 3 seconds. And the timeout thing here, I will just update it as soon as I upload this video, so you guys won't have to add this piece in. But I forgot that part, so I just added that in. I'm gonna copy this whole entire code and go here and then paste it just anywhere, but it cannot be like inside these areas. Just paste it in an open area. So something like this, but it can't be like right here, here, or like in the code, or else it will break the code. Okay, now that I've set the to open the timeout, like a delay between when this command is going to be run is going to be 3 seconds. Okay, now that I got all of that, I would like to now copy all of this. So copy code, I'm going to test if this copied it all. I'm going to just take out Notepad and see if it did. Nope. Nope, it isn't. Why is it? Yeah, it's not copying code. I don't know if it's because of Google Sites, but it always worked. And all the time when I'm recording a video, something happens, but it's not too much of a deal. Like, it's not that big of a deal, so I can just manually select it all and copy it. And now we're gonna have to create a new page and go to Minecraft Creator Hub again, and then go to menu and then quick tools, and then go to script add-on creator. And then here so what I'm doing right now is creating the add-on that will send that code with the menus and stuff to Minecraft. And this is super easy, and back when I first started learning JavaScript, I had nothing like this. If I did, this would be the most useful thing ever. So what I can do is name this add-on admin menu test add-on for YouTube. That's way too long, but it's still gonna work. For description, I'm just gonna put anything. And then the pack icon, it's optional, so you don't have to put a pack icon, but I'm just gonna search up admin menu icon. What I can do is just save this to photos and stuff if you guys are on mobile and stuff, and then just click on this and then select the image, or if you're on PC, just exactly like what I did, just drag and drop on this area here. But it's optional, so you guys don't need to. Oh, I forgot this thing here. So let me just go back to this page here, and here you guys are gonna click this button. It'll copy a code to your clipboard, and then click on paste. And yeah, so just click this button. Let me just do that again if you guys could not follow up. All you gotta do is go to the top part, and then just go all the way down, and then just paste the code in. So it should look like something like this. It has all the stuff that will make your code actually work. Oops, okay. Now I'm gonna copy this whole entire thing once again. Now what I can do is click on add script file, and the first file has to start with main because the manifest said so. So main, the manifest will just run that file named main, and then you guys can just import and export files like import // if you guys don't know it, then don't. If you guys do, then good. And now what I'm gonna do is just paste the code in here, double check that I pasted the correct thing and not just something else. And now what I'm gonna do is click on download, simply download it. And there. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Nope, but you guys couldn't see it. But now can you guys see it? Yeah, you guys can see it. Now you guys can see it. Okay, so right here, I got the add-on downloaded. It says the exact name, what I named it, and then .mc add-on. Now what I'm going to do is just click on it. Double click it if you're on PC. Okay, and it should say successfully imported and stuff. Now what I can do is I'm gonna just create a new world to show how it works. So I'm gonna do creative, peaceful, blah blah blah, and invite invited players only. You guys don't need to do these stuff. I'm just doing it. Just creating a new world. And make sure to turn on beta APIs. You guys don't need anything else. Just beta APIs. That's all. I'll just also enable cheats, keep an origin spawning, briefing, water cycle, and yeah, just enable those. I'll just make this my creator world. Okay, now that I finally got a player in the world, I can just type that command again. And notice that it actually sends that command in the chat. I'll also fix that so that if you guys type a command that you guys created, it will not send that message to chat. So it'll be all fixed when you guys are creating your own commands. So now I can do kick player. I forgot the name. Okay, I'm gonna do, it was what, splashy fed. I'm just gonna do add splashy fed and then just copy this name here. Now what I'm gonna do is add an menu again. And kick player. So I'm gonna paste in the name, confirm, and kick. And as you guys can see, the player is kicked. So yeah, that's basically form type 2, so the menu creator type 2 here. So now I've taught you guys how to use menu creator type 2, chat command creator, menu creator type 1, and I hope that you guys now can think of how to use these two, because I'm already like 30 minutes into this video, and if I made it too long, of course you guys would not want to watch this video. So yeah, the other two, which is the shop menu creator and this one, is similar to the things that I've just showed you guys. And of course, there is a lot more tools in this page. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye all.